In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share lab results with clients and practice better. By the end, you'll feel confident creating or opening a lab order, attaching the results, and making them available in your client's portal in a clear, secure way. Start by heading to the left sidebar and opening My Practice, then select Labs. This is your hub for everything related to lab work. If you're starting fresh, click the Fast Action button to create a new lab order. If the lab order already exists, or you've previously uploaded results for this client, simply open that existing lab item instead. Creating a new order is great when you're organizing results by test or by date. Opening an existing one keeps everything together if you've already set it up. Inside the lab order, fill in the key details. Choose the correct client, enter the lab name, add the date, and set the status. Take a moment to double-check the client selection and the spelling of the lab name, since these details are how you and your client will recognize the record later. Using a consistent naming format, like the lab provider and the type of test, can help you and your client find things quickly. For the date, use the collection or report date you want reflected in the client's portal. The status helps you track where things are in your workflow. Next, attach the lab result document. From within the lab order view, upload the file, such as a PDF. Make sure you're attaching the final version you want the client to see, and confirm that the file opens cleanly and is legible. Clear file names also help. Something that mirrors the lab name and date works well. When your details and attachments are in place, it's time to share. In the lab order options, or under the More Options menu, click Share the Lab or Share with Client. This action makes the lab visible in the client's portal. If you see a confirmation or a shared indicator, that's a good sign everything is set. From the client's perspective, once shared, they log into their client portal and go to the lab section to view the result. If the file is treated as a general document, they'll find it in their Documents area instead. They can open it to view or download as needed. If a client can't locate the file, verify that it's shared and let them know whether to look under Labs or Documents based on the file type. That's it. With these steps, you can consistently share lab results and practice better, keeping your records organized and your clients informed.